Hello everyone, welcome. This is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with a one-box break of 2013 Elite Football. Great product so far. We've hit big. Geno Smith Redding autograph. Giovanni Bernard Redding autograph. Some Elite statuses and just a whole lot of nice stuff coming out of this product, guys. So here we go. Let's see. No, I didn't get that, Will, but I will make note of it now. I didn't see that at all. And that has now been noted. Trade Bills for Vikings. Just going to go through the base cards, get right to the inserts, and a Ray Rice primary colors. That's going to the Baltimore Ravens. Brandon L. right on the board. And this is going to be a pack of base, it looks like, guys. All base. I want to see a sick card come out of this box. Oh, we have a jersey. And right off the bat, there you go. E.J. Manuel jersey. Going to Will H. 188 of 399. I know you were wanting that, Will. There you go, buddy. Boom, baby. And here we have a rookie for the 49ers, Eric Reed, number 393 of 399, going to Glenn H. Here we have a Travis Kelce, turn of the century rookie, number 89 of 199, going to Will H. with the Chiefs. And Will, the year is just starting, buddy. Just starting. Here we have a starstruck Tom Brady. That's going to the New England Patriots, Glenn H. I think those cards are beautiful. And this is going to be all base, guys. Antonio Brown, Alfred Morris, Tom Brady, Josh Freeman, and Dwayne Bowe. Another jersey in here, guys. And the Cowboys get a hit. DeMarcus Ware, number 247 of 299. Going to Brandon L. Nice hit for you, Brandon. I know somebody who's interested in that if you want to move it. Yeah, I like the Starstrucks, Brandon. And here we have a passing the torch. John Randall for the Minnesota Vikings. That is Glenn H. And Jared Allen also for the Vikings. So Glenn, that's going to go to you. It doesn't need to be random. And this pack is all base, guys. There's the decoy. All base. I don't know if they are, Will. I don't think they state they're all pro. And here we have a Brandon Marshall. Zoning Commission. The Bears are getting a hit. Can you believe it? Number 22 of 49 going to Glenn. The Bears with the rare hit. And here we have another primary colors going to the Eagles. LaShawn McCoy. And that's going to Tony R. Still got the 2 autographs. They're keeping us waiting on these guys. And I want to see a 6 status card. And we have one of the autographs here. I love these cards. Oh no, well, it's a Bengals card. It's just the hard hats. Marcus Hunt. 224 of 299. I thought this was the inscription. It's going to Tony R as well. I love the inscription cards. They are gorgeous. And we haven't even hit the autograph yet, Brandon. Or the autographs, I should say. Ah, but now we did. Wow, I think I know who it is, guys. This is a nice one. This is a nice one. Look at this, and it's a green ink, baby. Green ink, Cordarrelle Patternson. Will H., you called it for Glenn. Glenn, it is yours, buddy. Wow, that is a sick hit. Another crazy hit in this case. Guys, this case is loaded. Wow. Wow. That is nice, Glenn. Congrats on that, buddy. This case is loaded. We've hit Bernard, Gino, and Cordarrelle in the case so far, and there's still more. That is just crazy, guys. And this is all base. Jay Cutler, LaShawn McCoy, Larry Fitzgerald, Decoy, AJ Green, and Sam Bradford. I like the rookie inscriptions. The rookie inscriptions are beautiful cards. And here we have a Zach Dysett rookie, guys, number 602 of 899. That's going to the Denver Broncos, Glenn. Yeah, green ink is very short printed, I'm sure. And we've seen this guy a lot in our case, guys. Zach Ertz rookie. 602 of 799. Going to the Eagles, Tony R. Should still have one more auto in here. And that probably didn't, that was probably a blue ink, right, Will? Another zoning commission. Demarius Thomas going to the Broncos. Glenn. Well, we pretty much know that the small pack should be the autograph, unless we got an autographed jersey here. And we didn't. So the next pack I'll have the order. This is all base. Mendenhall, Danny Amendola, Ryan Matthews, Decoy, Chris Gibbons, and Aaron Rodgers. So here should be an autograph. And it's a turn of the century autograph, guys. For the Dolphins, Deion Sims, number 21 of 299, going to Glenn. Alright guys, thanks for joining us tonight. Don't forget, check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com.